This is a scooter motorcycle by QJmotor, and it's for sure for inside the city. Why is it for inside the city? Because it's got small wheels, it's just 125 cubics, and it's got floor. And that means that you can lift things here, like a suitcase, like a box with your dog, with your cat. Also, you got a hook, so you can lift the bags from the supermarket. You have a bit of space down of the saddle. It's opening from here. It's not so big space. It's enough for a jet helmet and for your gloves and something more. It's not good enough for a full face helmet. At least my and Georgia's full face helmet. The fuels is from here. You got handles for the second rider, and you got a place that you can put your top box as exactly happened here. We got a USB here, we got a single stand, we got a double stand, and we got a small digital screen with the basics and more. You got everything you like. Of course, if you want to be protected by the weather, you need a bigger windscreen, because this windscreen is just for the looking. What else? Let's say now that I'm going on it. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I have a space, everything is in the right angle, I feel comfortable, and the saddle, it's a good enough. Let's see now what is going to happen if Georgia will come here. Also, I have to tell you that this is a start-stop engine. So now we will see Georgia to pass her leg up from the top box, because only Georgia can do that. Georgia, what is the feeling?
The feeling is okay. It's a little bit small because my legs, you know, you can see my legs.
Okay, there is no footrest, it's just a part of the floor for Georgia.
That it's a little bit, it's for a smaller person.
But you can move inside the city.
Of course.
So that means that if I want to take you to the work, for example, you can be in there for 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 kilometers.
Of course.
So this is okay for both of us, even if we are a bit big, a bit. Georgia, not me. I am just a common, normal, thin person.
Oh, you need food. I need to feed you.
I need food. I need food. Interesting scooter, nice position of riding. I have a good view back, I'm not protected at all, the sound of the engine is okay, and we are moving. We will change directions, we do it of course very easy, this is a city bike and the brakes are okay. Now, the performance is very good for this bike. We have ride this motorcycle years before, not this motorcycle, just this style, down of the brand of Keeway, with different engine, with different things on it. This is completely new thing, and it's much better. We have an engine that is liquid cool, that is 125 cubics and produce 15 horses at 8,750 RPM and also 12 Nm at 8,250 RPM. Powerful enough. Moves easy with 1 or 2 persons inside the city. Easy. Easy. Also, it's economical. Needs 2.2 liters per 100 kilometers by the book. It's okay. The tank is full with a 6.4 liters of gasoline. So you got a range. You don't have to fill it every day with a gasoline. The weight of this bike is 130 kilos with all the liquids. So it's a light one. It's a light scooter, a light motorcycle scooter for inside the city for everybody. For a student, for a girl, for everybody. Also, it stops with 2 disc brakes and ABS. So, also you feel very safe. The braking of this motorcycle, it's okay. Now, the quality. The plastics are fine. Of course, I don't know what is going to happen in time, because this is a almost new scooter, but now looks okay. The saddle, it's nice and comfortable, and I consider that for the money that you have to give to buy it, it's an interesting scooter. So what I believe, it's a scooter that is ideal for the city. It's got an engine that is more powerful than the common 125 cubic scooter. It's moving easily with 80 kilometers anytime with one person like me on it. With a small person probably is moving easily with 100 kilometers, I don't know. And also I can easily take my wife or my child to the school with this saddle. We got enough space. My wife then that is riding feels safe because it's got ABS and everything is very friendly on this scooter. So I consider that it's a good choice and economical for inside the city. For inside the city only. Inside the city only. Georgia, what is your opinion?
For inside the city only. Okay, we learned it.
And your opinion?
My opinion is that it is very fast for a 125 cubics. It is very practical with all the spaces here, even if it's a little bit small the space inside for the helmet. And it's braking extremely well with the ABS. I really enjoyed it. Yes.
Η επικείμενη χαρά η οποία επέρχεται ενός έκδηλου ενθουσιασμού ο οποίος υφίσταται κατά την οδήγηση ενός ήτι τρομακτικού και δι ισχυρού πολεμικού μοτοσακού ως τούτο το QJ, οφείλω να πω ότι φέρει αισθήματα πονεμένης καρδιάς που πληγώθηκε από τον έρωτα.
Από πού το πήγες και πού το πήγες.
Σημασία έχει ποιότητα. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Real life reviews.
Real life.
Okay?
Okay.